We're not reliant on historic events. We're not just looking at statistical issues or even extrapolating a flood area in this particular part of the world and saying, well, that part of the world looks similar, so we'll just extrapolate that data. This is looking at a case by case, physical properties around the world. It's using science, it's using hydrology, it's using physics to be able to predict what could happen. So it's giving that like for like, comparing apples with apples wherever you are in the world.